Record some more. Take 5 and take 5.
Well, Joe, I'm sorry. I'm not used to all this.
Hold on.
I'm not like these. Okay.
Now the president's got 10 more.
Okay, just a minute. I want to take a picture of Mom and Daddy. I'll take a picture of this, Joe, for you. Mom and Daddy. Your grandpa and grandma, Joe.
Let me show you how to hold it, okay? You gotta do like this, like that. And you gotta aim. You gotta say, shoot him. All right.
Yeah. So I got president here up now. Yeah.
Okay.
So I got president here open up.
Okay, take this over here, Joe. Picture of this. Okay.
Oh my goodness.
That's you and that's your alley?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
No, they don't bite. The Cajun culture is very unique, and it's a culture that's fading away quick. Faster and more faster than
Okay.
their king. He whistled and hollered and called him by name. Look, they get in the house, they going down the chimney. And then he double his skip and crack his big whip. Merry Christmas to all, till I see you some more.
That's the last present that Randy got me.
Yep.
Still recording? It's a box. That's a box.
Oh, it got a box. It's got present in it, I guess. Oh, how pretty.
it's a
Oh,
box.
how pretty.
There.
Oh, it's got a little snowman on it. Oh, how cute.
Jingle bells, crab shells on the Christmas tree.
And Liz's family's enjoying a year-end tradition.
More tape.
Cajun Christmas tree, huh?
Tons more tape.
Decorating their one-of-a-kind Christmas tree.
Box.
Made out of citrus
Oh,
branches.
oh, nice little box. All prettied up. Oh,
Another box.
I got another box.
Could be another gift. They put in the Xbox Live gift card.
Oh, my goodness.
Could be another one.
How pretty. Oh, Joe, that's pretty. Oh, Joe. He's in it. The reason for this season. Oh, how pretty. Oh, that's pretty too, Joe. Hold still. See what's got to hold up the other way. It's got snowmen on it. Shush. Hold up the other way, straight, the other way. There you go, snowmen. Joe.
It's one of my CD I ordered offline.
Oh, no.
See what it is. Yep, sure is.
Oh, what?
My CD came in the mail. My CD I got.
Kill switching legs. Oh, it's music.
Yep.
It moving? No, it's music.
Yes, music.
Oh, look at Mama.
Last night.
Haha.
Hold still, son.
I must have come in the mail for it.
Oh, Joe.
What?
Look here. Hold still. Joe. Now hold it down from your face. Hold it down. There you go. There you go. Got a good one. Got a good one.
Is anyone there? Is anyone there?
Nope. No, this is Randy's.
Sweet.
That's Pearl, Miss Pearl. And I got Kimmy and Carl in bed.
Get more. Maybe I get more music. Sweet.
Joe, what's the difference between this one and that one?
Oh, same thing.
No, if one breaks, you'll have the next one.
That's what I'm saying.
Don't
Yeah.
be asking me for something for a while. What, son?
What? X. You sure that's all the presents? That's all the presents?
No, that's all of them.
You sure-
I got Randy's. This one and Coco's.
I'll take that with them.
And these are Pearl Mary's. And that's Randy's. I got him. Those Randy's. We'll take him.
These are Randy's?
Yeah, no, this is Pearl's. And that's Randy's. There, from me and Tom.
That's Randy's. These are Randy's? See what he's got too.
That's Randy's. To me and Tom. From me and Tom.
I can look in the car. Come up here. Excellent. But that way they get my CD. Another day.
There we go.
Excellent.
can I put that there without breaking it? You think you won't break it, will you?
I don't know.
Can I put it there?
Nice. Batteries, batteries.
Broke. I just broke them. They're very upset.
Yeah, definitely upset.
Joe, can you have me have my picture right here?
Hang on, put nails or something in the wall.
No, I got nails. I'll mark it and then we rip rubber from this off. Put your stuff together in a little second
Yeah,
box that you had.
no, I need a big box. Put the stuff in.
I got one too here.
I need a big box stove down there. I'm sure that thing in the bags.
Nancy was right there at the closet door.
You like 'em, Master? Well, thank you, buddy.
The crabs have passed the taste test. And now it's time to see if they measure up.
Here. Here's how you just put all your stuff in there, baby.
Well,
Put your stuff in there. That's what it's saying. Put your stuff in there, put in. What your rag says. Put that on the trash bin.
all right, we're keeping the boxes in. We're keeping the set bag sacks.
Put them in here like this.
There's stuff in this bag. There's still stuff in this bag.
I got it right there.
My stuff is small stuff right here. This is mine also. There's stuff in this one too. Stuff in that bag. There's tools in that bag. Make sure nothing behind. Bad news.
This won't be bigger. There's that.
Make sure nothing behind in here.
Here's what I did to you. You throw this whole way.
Don't lose the Xbox Live gift card stuff. I can't lose that.
Where'd you put it?
In one of those bags.
Well, look and see what it is.
Wait, putting this one here. I'm putting this here. So here.
Get in there and then you got it. Okay, here.
And that candy. Whole box full of stuff.
Well, I think you had a pretty good Christmas myself.
This is well,
Did you think so, Joe?
yep.
Grandpa's good to you, huh?
Make sure it didn't feed anything. What that box? I'm keeping that box.
Okay, you sure can. Put your ball in it.
That's what I'm doing.
Joe,
Yep.
there you go. We get up, put these on top. Put them in there, Joe.
What's my movie?
For a bunch of broke people, I thought we done good.
What, Tom?
For a bunch of broke people, I thought we done good.
We
Yeah.
have. There you go. Start all
Movie
right.
stuff.
I guess I got stuff you like, Tom. Got you some things you like, I guess.
14 milligrams of 24 karat gold. The final issue price.
What's my movie stuff at?
Approved, but now
My face.
monetary 24 karat gold clad masterpiece is yours for only $9.95.
Two dangers.
Over 300% since 2002. Price can only be guaranteed for 7 days. Each new 27
Oh, they're there, right there.
Buffalo tribute fruit is fried in 14 milligrams of 24 karat gold. Is
I'm gonna crush my face.
utilizes the
There's your CD out.
Buffalo nickel design.
Well.
Limited at 5 clicks per color. You must hurry.
I mean,
Here's a little box you might want to put tape right there. Don't get Molly, Honey, and Coco's and Randy's.
get stuff ready. Get stuff ready.
Yeah, yeah.
My face.
Here's Molly, Honey, and
Show my
Coco's.
2 airsoft guns. Just using this first.
Right here, Randy. That's Randy. That's Randy.
Yes,
That's
whenever.
Randy from you. Here's Joe. This is Randy from you, and that's from him, Toy.
Your home.
Yeah.
Specialize in foreclosure assistance, and that's all we do. If you're behind in your mortgage,
What was airsoft? Supposed to be airsoft.
with foreclosure,
I got some of those already. 2 airsoft guns. That's awesome. I'm showing Randy got 2 airsoft guns. Excellent. I use the axe stuff. I'll be using the axe stuff. I'll be using that thing in showers.
has a network of attorneys, and our agents are available to speak
You
to
take
you
that home with you there. All
to
right.
the effect that may save your
I'll
home.
keep it. I'm gonna use it for my
Okay.
Protection services now. Taking it back in your
Face. Awesome stuff. I'll show you some more later when I get home, guys.
turn your existing cover shower into a secure, easy every time. In just one day, for a limited time.
Okay.
Take 15
Find something, dude? Awesome. Good stuff. More stuff.
A subscription to Pan is the gift that keeps on giving all year round. With over 350 video recipes from America's most acclaimed chefs.
Academy. More guns. Academy. More academy.
Home cooked needs to make fantastic meals for any occasion. So this year, give a stocking stuffer that's fun, affordable, and delicious. Head over to PandaCooking.com.
More music. Sweet. All albums of Kill Switch Engage.
It's Christmas Day at the Landry House, and the most festive meal of the year is about to begin.
I want to tell you all.
Oh, my ankle. Broke my ankle.
Thank you all for coming.
Hope you like your Christmas gifts.
If it wouldn't be for your
What's that?
money, this would be possible.
Mm.
Christmas, let's dig in.
My arm, my face. I'll be able to figure that out. My toes.
In the swamp, Cajuns are famous for bringing together huge spreads of homemade recipes.
Come on and eat.
Their freshly caught blue crab have not only been boiled to perfection, but Grandma blended them into a creamy dip.
How's the crab, Mom?
Yeah, crabs. Nice day.
They're good, huh?
You want some? You talk about good. That is my favorite.
Oh my goodness, I'm stuffed. You see the family all around me. All of that hard work is so hard all year.
No.
Some tape. Tape.
Over at home, another special Santa is arriving.
Dead man. Yeah, but mice. What are you turning that away for? I thought you need to reuse that bag.
No, I'm getting that. I'm getting this right.
Every Christmas Day, the home tribal leader, Chief Thomas, becomes the Indian Santa.
I hope it works real good.
Giving presents to local children.
All right. See you guys later. Good luck. I'll see you around. Bye.
RJ and J. Paul hosted
Bye.